Today, we're taking you on a journey to a stunning home nestled in the São Paulo countryside. This project is a product of a long-standing collaboration between Luciano Dalla Marta Arquitetura and a young couple eager to create their dream space. This is the architect's third project with these clients, and their vision was clear: a home ideal for entertaining friends with a focus on open spaces and parallel usage. Located in a beautiful countryside setting, the region experiences scorching summers. This presented a unique challenge, maximizing natural light while protecting the house from the harsh afternoon sun. Another key aspect? Accessibility. The architect designed the home to be fully inclusive, ensuring all spaces, from leisure areas to bathrooms, are easily accessible. To achieve these goals, the architect cleverly divided the house into two distinct blocks. These blocks are connected by a covered walkway, creating a sense of separation while maintaining a seamless flow. Throughout the house, Muxarabi elements act as a unifying visual feature, filtering sunlight and creating a cohesive aesthetic. The social area, housed in one block, is designed to be bathed in natural light. Large glass doors blur the lines between indoors and outdoors, fostering a connection with the surrounding environment. Stepping into the social pavilion, you'll immediately feel the focus on entertainment. The architect designed the gourmet space with a central counter, perfect for gatherings, alongside a hidden yet functional support kitchen. On the ground floor, dedicated spaces cater to leisure and functionality. Here, you'll find a home theater, a playroom, and essential service areas. When it comes to materials, a beautiful balance is achieved. Natural elements like stone and wood stand alongside modern, technological materials, creating a visually stunning and functional space. With its neutral base and beautiful architecture, the house provides a canvas for the client's personality to shine through. Vintage and modernist furniture add unique touches, making this a truly special and personal space. The success of this project lies in a collaborative effort. From the initial concept to final delivery, this involved the clients, the multidisciplinary team, the construction company, and project managers. This teamwork ensured the house met all needs and expectations, maximizing the functionality of every single space. The pool, subtly lowered relative to the social area, offers stunning views of the golf course that graces the back of the property. Moving to the intimate block, we find 7 bedrooms, each featuring balconies designed to offer privacy and protection from the afternoon sun. The roof of the social block becomes an extension of these balconies, featuring a green covering that serves as both a relaxing outdoor living area and a natural temperature regulator. Circulation within the intimate block is both efficient and light-filled. 2 well-defined axes intersect at the center, where a staircase and elevator are located. To further illuminate this area, a pergola with a glass roof was incorporated. Here's a look at the floor plans of the home. Thank you for joining us on this tour of this dream home in the countryside. We hope this project inspires you to create your own space that reflects your personality and lifestyle.